Dahil I need the rest. Okay. I need that. Oh, yeah. Woo. Oh, fuck. Yeah. I need the rest. Oh, shit. Oh my god. About 60 pounds doing this. Oh my god. How much more left?
I've had too much fun in the first bit.
Yeah. And then sacrifice at the end. How much left? How much?
10
10 miles.
miles. I think so, yeah. Oh, about 24,
24.
34.
Oh my god. Ah, dear. Fuck, my height rate is 178. I need to cool down. Yeah. Yeah, I need. It's good for the road. Okay. Pahinga muna, pahinga. Kaya okay. Nasa 184 na nga yung heart rate ko. Puta ka. 184. I need to cool down. So 164 na. There's more. I think there's more. Eh? There's more up here.
There's more.
Huh?
It's just an introduction.
There's one technical down there. That's yung pinaka ano, pababa. Yan si kamuntik si Edgar Maano, yung pababa. Pagka yung pababa dito, yung huli, yung kamuntik si Edgar doon, dire-diretso doon, tapos pagliko, biglang liko sa ano, biglang liko sa left. Kamuntik yung ano si Edgar, sabi niya sa akin, yung gulong daw niya nag-skid. Kaya ako dandahan ko, bali na, sigurado safe. Nakita ko kasi dito, sabi ko, yung green, more than na tayo.
72 lang. 72 lang.